I hope it's a good condition, healthy, and happy, of course. I am Haris, and I will introduce the group of 10, and me, Haris Jurnaidi, and next, Miss Hafidia, Miss Eti Rohandi, Miss Ika Kartikasari, Miss Dwi Asih Handayani, and last, Miss Dewi Nurmawati. Before starting the presentation, I would like to say thanks for Mr. John Blatan for his knowledge. This week, we from Group 10 will explain about preference. In preference, Ani prefer, would rather, had better, and like. And one topic more is future perfect tense. Preference. Preference in English is an expression of preference or opinion that someone prefers about object, activity, of people, or others. Preference can be expressed through several words such as prefer, would rather, like, and had better. And the first, prefer. The word prefer used in sentences to define the preferred choice in the terms of object activity. Any three formula for prefer. And the first formula, subject plus prefer to infinitive. For example, they prefer to go now. And second formula, subject prefer noun plus to plus noun. For example, my mother prefer lemon to orange. Formula 3, subject prefer gerund to gerund. For example, she prefer watching TV to listening the radio. Not for prefer. For subject with she and he, adding an s to prefers. All right, next slide about preference would rather will explain with Miss Dewi. Please, Miss Dewi.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Haris. Now I will presentation about prefer atau lebih suka. Maaf. Oh. I will presentation about would rather atau lebih memilih. There are three formula for would rather. Formula number 1. Would rather plus bare infinitive. Example number 1. I would rather go now. Number 2. Would rather plus bare infinitive plus then plus bare infinitive. Number 2 example. Gio would rather stay in my house than go home. Number 3 formula. Would rather plus bar infinitive plus nouns plus then plus bar infinitive plus nouns. Example number 3. You rather speak English than French. Not bar infinitive sama dengan verb. Next slide about Mr. Eti. Please, Mr. Eti.
Oh, yang like. Thank you, Miss Dewi. I will present a preference like suka. The phrase we will discuss first is in the word like used when wanting to express something like or decide. Jadi ungkapan yang akan kita bahas pertama kali adalah kata suka yang ketika ingin mengungkapkan suka atau yang diinginkan. Formulanya subject plus noun or verb ing plus better than plus noun verb ing. Example, I like swimming better than jogging. Jadi saya suka berenang saya suka berenang daripada jogging. Example 2, I like apples better than bananas. Saya suka apple daripada bananas. Dilanjutkan dengan Bu Ika. Next.
Bu, bukan saya sepertinya.
Saya ya?
Ya, silakan.
Saya.
Bu Dwi silakan.
Siap. Had better atau lebih baik. Had better is a form of preference that is a suggestion for people to do what we like. Formula 1. Had better plus bare infinitives. Example, you had better study that regularly. 2. Had better plus not plus bare infinitive atau negative form. Example, you had better no go to there. Next slide about preference tense, Miss Kartika.
Belum dinyalakan, Bu, mic-nya.
Maaf, terima kasih. Now I will talk about future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is a tense that describes something that will already be done in the future. The sentences can also be used to state events or activities that have been completed in the future. The simulation is simple like this. Is your work finished this afternoon? And you can answer, my work will be finished by 4 p.m. In English, I will have finished work at 4 p.m. This sentence is called the future perfect tense. Next. Future perfect tense formula. For the positive, the formula is subject plus will plus have plus past participle or verb 3. For example, he will have learned his lesson. The student will have gone back to school in July. For negative, the formula is subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle or verb 3. For example, he will not have learned his lesson. The students will not have gone back to school in July. For interrogative, the formula is had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. For example, will we have learned his lesson? Will the student have gone back to school in July? Next. Future perfect tense example. For positive, I will have finished my project at the end of this month. For negative, I won't have finished my projects at the end of this month. For interrogative, will I have finished my projects at the end of this month? Next. Time signal future perfect tense is by next atau menjelang, by next week menjelang minggu depan, by Sunday menjelang hari Minggu, by tomorrow menjelang besok, by next month menjelang bulan depan, in a week dalam waktu 1 minggu, in 2 days dalam 2 hari, until hingga, after sesudah, dan before sebelum. So, that our presentation, Mr. John, before we going to our quiz, maybe you have a correction about our pronunciation.
Okay, the presentation, it's not just pronunciation, right? About the topic.
Okay.
So we discuss about the topic.
Okay, Mr.
Okay, any question about the preference or future perfect tense? Slide-nya dibagikan ya sama saya?
Dibagikan, Bu? Pak.
Sudah, Pak.
Sudah ya? Okay, about the preference, what do you think about prefer, would rather, had better, and like ya?
Iya, Pak.
Apa tadi? Iya, jadi bacanya itu rather ya. Jadi T dibaca D, rather, would rather. Kemudian preference. Jadi kalau mau presentasi cari dulu cari dulu pronunciation-nya ya, supaya nanti ketika presentasi tidak salah baca. Ya, tidak salah baca.
Thank you, Mr. John, for the correction.
Okay. Thank you. How many people in this group? Berapa orang ya grupnya?
5, sir.
Ada
5 people, ya?
Yes.
Okay.
6, sir.
6, Mr. Yeah, Miss
Hafidia, Miss Hafidia on duty, sir.
Yes.
Iya. Kedengaran sekali suaranya, nervous sekali ya.
Kita siap-siap udah dari 3 hari yang lalu. Tapi tetap salah ya.
Iya. Jangan nervous ya, santai aja. Be calm, be calm.
Thank you, sir.
Salah nggak apa-apa,
Mister.
yang penting. Namanya juga belajar. Oke. Oke, next slide coba, next.
Can we go to our quiz, sir?
Okay, is there any question about the topic today? Kayaknya gampang ya, preference and future perfect ya.
Ya nggak terlalu ribet, banyak rumus kayak yang lain, Mister.
Oh iya, iya.
Next.
Yeah, about would rather. Okay. Okay. Next exercise.
Thank you, sir. The quiz will be read by Mr. Harris, please.
Okay, thanks, Miss Ika. This quiz number 1 for group 1. The question is, she prefers blah 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 a cake. A, makes. B, make. C, making. D, to make. What the answer? Group 1.
Me, make.
Yes, correct. Next question. For group 2. The question is, he prefers pizza to blah blah blah. A. Cake. B. Burger. C. Coffee. D. Apple.
E. Burger.
Correct. Next question, number 3 for group 3. The question is, I prefer swimming, blah, blah, blah. A, running. B, runs. C, run. D, to running.
D, to running.
Okay. Correct. Next question for group 4. The question is, she prefers blah, 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 mopping. A, sweeping. B, sweep. C, to sweeping. D, sweeping to.
D, sweeping to.
Correct. Next slide with Miss Dewi. Please, Miss Dewi.
Number 5, you would rather blah 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 bahasa than Sundayness. A, to speak. B, speaks. C, speaking. D, speak.
Ya, hai. Likita. D, speak.
Yes, correct. Next question. Number
Kelompok 5 ya. Ya.
Number 6, I prefer staying home, blah blah blah, going out. I, to. B, instead of. C, despite of. D, is speed.
A, 2.
Correct.
Yes,
Next
correct.
question.
Thank you.
Number 7, Abdul blah 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 consume his education to the graduation program to working in his family business. I like. B, would rather. C, had better. D, prefer.
Ya, baca yang benar, Mbak.
D, prefer. Kak.
Ya, Mister.
Iya, ini bacanya bukan business ya.
Business.
Iya.
Business.
Oke.
Maklum, Mister mulutnya.
Mulut ini ya, orang Indonesia.
Iya, Mister.
Oke, next.
Next for question for group 8.
Ya, Kak.
Number 8, when I am hot and thirsty, I prefer hot drinks, blah blah blah, hot drinks. I then, B, rather than. C, to. D, what rather.
C, 2.
Correct. Next question for group 9.
Lanjut, Om.
Miss Dewi.
Saya aja nggak apa-apa, Mas.
Oh, dilanjutin.
Ya.
Please, Mbak.
I blah 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 to go now. A, would. B, would prefer. C, prefer. D, would rather. untuk kelompok 9 ya.
C. Prefer.
Ya, jawabannya?
C. Prefer.
C. Prefers.
Correct. Next.
Okay. Number 10 for kelompok 10. Doni would rather stay in my house, bla bla bla, go home.
Mohon maaf, untuk kelompok 11, Mbak.
Oh, untuk kelompok 11 ya. Saya kelompok 10 ya, lupa.
Iya betul, Mbak.
D. A, belum Mbak. A, to, B, prefer, C, would rather, D, then. Jawabannya kelompok 11. D.
Yes, correct. Next question.
Selanjutnya kembali untuk kelompok 1. I like swimming, bla bla bla, cycling. A, to, B, like, C, better, D, better than. Okay. Kelompok 1.
Your answer, group 1.
Bu Afid, barangkali mau jawab, Bu Afid.
Silakan kelompok 1.
Bu Rini.
Better than.
Betul.
Keras suaranya, Bu.
D ya, better than ya.
Correct. Ya, benar, Bu. Pertanyaan selanjutnya untuk kelompok 2.
Silakan Ibu Tin.
Miss Dwi, Miss Dewi.
Saya aja ya.
Saya. Siapa, Pak?
Ya Pak Paris.
Ya, langsung
Bu
dibaca
Eti,
nomor
mangga.
12-nya.
Mangga Bu Eti.
Ya, next. Quiz untuk kelompok berapa? 3. I bla 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 live in a village than in a city. E, prefer than. B, had better. C, then. D, would.
Kelompok 2, Bu. Prefer
Ya,
to.
Correct.
Yes, correct. Next question for group 3.
Next, you perfected you English by the time you come back from Australia. E, was. B, has been. C, will have. D, will has. E, will be. Kelompok 3.
C, will have.
Yes, correct. Next question for group 4.
Next, the movie will have blah 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 by the time we get there. E, starts. B, start. C, starting. D, start. E, is start.
Started. Started, Bu.
Correct.
Correct. Next question.
Next. Paris.
Bla bla.
Sorry. 15.
Apa, Pak?
Blah blah blah. You have finished it by the time I come back. A was. A was. B will. C when. D is. Untuk kelompok 5 ya.
B will. Will you have finished it by the time I come back? Jamila from 5.
Correct, Miss Jamila.
Thank you.
Next question.
By the time he gets home, she is blah 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 have cleaned the entire house. A. Going to. B. Gone. C. Go. D. When. A. Goes. Kelompok 6.
A. Going to.
Korek ya, Paris.
Correct.
Kasih.
Next question.
I blah 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 not going to have finished this test by 10 r. A is. B am. C was. D will.
B am.
Correct.
Correct. Next question.
Next question. By the time I finish this course, I will have blah 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 10 tests. A take, B takes, C taking, D taken, A is take. Kelompok 7.
Jawabannya apa, Bu?
Jawabannya di taken.
Correct.
Correct ya. Blah blah blah. She have learned enough Chinese to communicate it before she moves to Beijing. He was. B is. C are. D will. For 7 ya, save kelompok 7.
Kelompok 9, Bu.
Kelompok 9.
Kelompok 9 ya, Mbak. D will.
Correct. Kelompok 11, pertanyaan terakhir. Sam is probably going to have blah 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 the proposal by the time he leave this afternoon. A complete, B completed, C completes, D is complete. Untuk kelompok 11.
B, Bu, completed. B.
Correct. Finish.